Good day everyone, my name is Richard and I'm the organizer of the Greater Garden Route Wedding Expo, proudly presented by Kouga Municipality and Mentors Country Estate. This year is our second year and the event is taking place on 29 and 30 August, this coming Saturday and Sunday. The event opens at 9 o'clock and it runs through all the way until 4 o'clock. We have over 60 exhibitors, everything from venues to photographers, videographers, decor. You will find all the inspiration you need to fill up your Pinterest board. We have a daily fashion show at 2:30, and to top it all this year, our ultimate wedding giveaway has got a grand prize in excess of 100,000 Rand. Remember, you have to be in person for the draw. We're drawing 5 finalists on Saturday afternoon just after the fashion show, and then the final draw will be on Sunday afternoon, again after the fashion show, roughly 3:30 in the afternoon. We also have some lucky draw prizes. Tickets are available at Quicket as well as at the door. And we hope to see you here to see why the Greater Garden Route is the ultimate wedding destination. See you on Saturday.